Hello my people, I once again welcome to my YouTube channel. It has been a long time, but I thank you for those that have subscribed, for those that have commented on this channel, those that have liked. You are doing a great job. I thank you so much. So as I told you on this channel that we shall be doing a lot of things, we shall be talking about things related to computer literacy, educating you in this modern world, how you can cope up with computers. So today we are going to talk about Microsoft Excel. Now these are some of the packages that help us to store to store our data. So if you want to without wasting time, if you want to open Microsoft Excel, so just come so now like here. I can just come on my search bar. I tap on my search bar, then I can type. You can just type Excel. So I have Microsoft Excel 2010. So they have already bought it for me. So I open it. After I can maximize this. I can maximize my. So here Microsoft Excel. So here they bring for you the cells. This is what we call cells. These are the cells. We have the active cells. So this one is we have Microsoft Excel. Data is stored in these cells. These are cells. So Microsoft Excel, we have what we call the rows. These are the rows. We have the rows, and also we have the columns. So we have the active cell and so what I was trying to tell you that we have the active cells. So the cell where you are, the cell which you are clicking at is the active cell. So each and every cell that I click in, so it is reflected. It is reflected here. Like here, this is cell B2. So you won't get lost. So the cell where your current cursor is will be always reflected. So here maybe just in case you are finished to type, you are finished to get the average, you finish to get the question. So here the formulas that you will use, the formulas will always be reflected here. So like here, if you are maybe at cell M, this is M1, so it will always be reflected here. It will always be reflected here. So maybe this is P, this is P2. You always be, so you won't get lost. So you just need to follow the protocol. That you need to know that Microsoft Excel, we have the active cells, we have the rows, and also we have the column. So this is the column, this is the column, this is the column, and these are the rows. So here in the rows we store our data. So also Microsoft Excel, it doesn't store like so much data. It is limited. It doesn't need like a lot of data. A lot of data maybe can be stored on Word, PowerPoint, but this one is somehow limited. So thank you so much for listening, and just tune in to this channel. More and more things are coming. God bless you.